Hey YouTubers, I hope you're enjoying all the unboxings that we've done from Tucson. It's been a fantastic experience and I'm really excited because I have another gray box. So I'm just gonna jump in and I've got my card. You guys really outdid yourself. Oh, I gotta keep it together. Well, the card on the bottom says don't say or show the camera. So we're just gonna... Alrighty, something awesome. Something amazing is in this box. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. All right, I don't care about the gray box. Someone want to catch it? Okay, so this is heavier than I expected. I am thinking that those are diamonds. I see yellow and white gold. The pink could be ruby. It could be tourmaline. Those green stones could be Tsavorite Garnet. I really want to put this on, but I'm not sure how to. I think I need some help, which is why I'm bringing in today's guest. She's really awesome, really smart, knows her stuff, awesome gemologist. Everyone, I can't bang on the table right now to give a drum roll, so do your drum roll for Shelly. Can I wear this first of all?
Of course you can
pause. Shelly, say hi to YouTube.
Oh, hi YouTube.
YouTube, say hi to Shelly.
Hi. I am the curator for a museum collection called Somewhere in the Rainbow, and we are used strictly for education in the gem and jewelry world. We partner with JTV and have for a long time. So I figured that it was time for you to have something fabulous to wear.
I think I am not royal or important enough to wear that piece.
Oh, beyond. Give me your wrist already.
Okay, so this is probably the most expensive thing I've ever had on my wrist.
Probably. So the piece that you're wearing is actually an AGTA Spectrum Award-winning design.
Okay, so tell everyone what Spectrum is and what AGTA is.
Okay, so AGTA is the American Gem Trade Association.
Okay.
They're based in Dallas. They are the largest component users of education in the color gemstone world. They don't focus on diamonds, they focus strictly on color and design. The AGTA Spectrum Awards is an award program that takes place every year that's like the Academy Awards of the jewelry industry. And there's about 550 people that enter one-of-a-kind designs, and then they're judged, and there's 22 winners that come out every year.
Can you hear my heart beating?
I can see it. It's moving. I can see your chest. So this particular piece is really fun because the rubelite tourmaline, so you were right. And the green is Tsavorite Garnet.
I was right.
From the founder of Tsavorite, the Bridges family.
Bridges family, I've heard a lot about them.
There's little tiny Tsavorite garnets that are set all the way around the outside as well.
First of all, I never thought you would bring anything this spectacular. I thought it was gonna be a faceted stone. Mind-blowing how beautiful this piece is.
Well, honey, you deserve only spectacular.
Did you hear that, everyone? I deserve this.
Make your arm comfortable, like just
I can't.
flow in
this
it.
Is, I can't. I've never.
There you
Does
go.
this look good
on you? Oh, that looks damn good on you.
So first of all, what I noticed was how big the piece is, the beautiful gemstones, but the craftsmanship. I worked in jewelry for a while, and I can really appreciate a well-made piece. Can you tell me a little bit about the design of this?
It's a panel bracelet, obviously, which is actually a takeoff of the Art Deco period. So it has a very Art Deco kind of feel to it, although it's a current piece. It's modern made. The gemstones, the rubelites, are award-winning cutting, faceting for a gentleman by the name of Ivan Pham.
Okay.
And Ivan won the Spectrum Award for the cutting. From there, the stones went to a woman by the name of Judy Evans. She did the design work, and then the craftsmanship was done by 2 artists in Scottsdale, Arizona, in 18 karat white and yellow gold.
All right, so have you ever worn this piece?
I have. I've worn it to 2 different events.
You've actually worn this,
I've
not just
worn
on
it.
YouTube.
Correct. I'll brag here a little bit. I actually wore that bracelet to Muhammad Ali's 70th birthday party. Oh. It's not bad to be me.
What is it? Fly like a butterfly,
sting like a bee.
Is that what you did?
That is correct. Oh,
With
absolutely.
this on. Usually on this show, I know what to say, and I am shell-shocked, and for the first time in my life, probably am at a loss of words. You have this awesome collection. Tell our viewers what you have in your collection and why your collection is so awesome.
We acquire the top grade colored gemstones from around the world. We bring them in and catalog them into our collection, and then we share those pieces with artisans from around the world to create one-of-a-kind jewelry items. Our mission in that is to help people understand the artistry that goes on behind the piece.
I have talked on the show a lot about the gem and jewelry industry and how there's so many facets, pun intended. I mean, you have to engineer this piece and design it. So
Correct.
Can you talk a little bit about the process that would go into something of this magnitude?
Something like this all resides in the designer's mind. So when I gave Judy Evans the stones, all she had was a layout of tourmaline. It was her job to look at that and envision it and say, oh my gosh, what am I going to do with that? She wanted to bring her unique style, which is that great Art Deco style, but in a very modern way. She wanted to bring that to life. And not only is there a bracelet, but there's a ring and a pair of earrings that go with this bracelet. So there's a whole suite.
Wow.
Then she has to go to her craftsman and she has to say, okay, so these are going to be the placements. She created the piece on paper. It never did have to go to CAD, so everything that you're seeing here is all hand fabricated. Then, you know, she had to choose two really, really accomplished craftsmen to actually bring the piece to life.
Can you explain to everyone what a suite is? Because we're learning jewelry terms today too.
Oh, sure. So a suite is multiples out of the same piece of rough. All of these stones, along with the earrings and the ring, are all stones that were fashioned and cut by a lapidary artist. So a lapidary artist does not cut diamonds, they only cut colored stones. Cool. Important to know. And they create multiple stones out of that one piece of rough.
You talked about Art Deco. Can you point some things out on here that make you say Art Deco?
The piece encompasses the Art Deco period because what they were known for were bold geometric shapes that were not symmetrical.
So this
This,
right
along
there.
with this line, along with this curve,
That curve right there.
and this half moon right here.
Okay.
So they're very bold geometric patterns that you would normally never put together, but yet they flow together. There was a lot of color that was used during that time as well.
When did you first see this piece and what went through your mind?
We were offered the suite, the Rubellite suite, in 2011. Design process started in 2012, and the first thing, of course, that goes through your mind is that is the cleanest tourmaline that I have ever seen in that color. So, of course, the first thing that went through my mind is, yes, we want to acquire this. What am I going to do with it? If you're a designer, I'm going to invite you into my office, and I'm going to lay out lots of loose gemstones in front of you, and you're going to pick stones that speak to you, and you're going to say, oh my gosh, I want to design with that one.
There's been a lot of people that have taken my breath away this week with the awesome stones that they're bringing. So,
You should really say that I did it more than anyone else, or I'm going to take that off of you and take it away.
well, then in that case, you know, I've got a dinner to go to tonight.
Yeah, why not?
Really?
Yeah, actually, you know, there might even be something else that might be a little fun, that might be a little more up your alley. Do you want this box?
I really want that box because I was not expecting this, which means that could be just as cool, if not cooler. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my. Oh, I'm shaking. Can you see I'm shaking? I'm in the wrong outfit.
No, you're not.
I need a ball gown.
Honey,
Why
this
did
color
I-
shows up well with
I
everything.
should have brought my ball gown.
Oh, and it's a perfect fit. Look at that.
Jeez, what a coincidence. Perfect.
You know, we
fit.
had it made just for you, right?
Oh, I'm sure. Okay, diamond,
Yeah, lots of them.
white gold,
Platinum.
orange, beautiful cabochon that looks like a jelly bean.
It does look like a jelly bean,
Doesn't
doesn't
it?
it? It's the
Yeah.
first thing I thought of when I saw the stone. I was like, I have to have that jelly
you
bean.
must be a foodie then.
Total.
Okay, good. So we're all
Yeah.
the same. We love jewelry, we like gemstones, and we're a foodie.
It is a 28 karat Mandarin garnet from Namibia. Wow. And it is the truest color of sun-kissed orange that you will ever see in a Mandarin garnet. And very rare in the fact that they don't typically come in cabochons.
No.
Normally you'll see them small and faceted. You're wearing something on you right now that's 100 times rarer than a diamond of the same size. If you were looking to buy a 15 karat diamond, you'll buy 100 of them before you'll find another Mandarin garnet like
So
this.
smooth.
This particular piece is designed by a gentleman from Luzerne, Switzerland. His name is Mark Holmuller.
Okay.
And Mark is considered probably one of the finest handcrafted jewelers anywhere in the world. Because he does everything by hand, he can only produce probably 75 to 90 pieces a year. I can tell you this, you could not walk into any jewelry store anywhere in the world and ask for either one of these items.
So they're rare.
They're extremely
very
rare.
unique, and I'm guessing that both of them would cost more than my gemological education.
Probably yours and mine combined.
Okay, good. This is part of the collection.
This is part of the collection.
What drew you to the stone, to this piece?
In 35 years of working in the jewelry business, I have never seen a cabochon Mandarin garnet like that. And I can tell you I've never seen another one since. I'm so glad you're happy.
I love this. I really, really love fine jewelry.
Well, and I think that it's great that both of the pieces that you have on, don't get me wrong, we love CAD. You know, CAD is a great tool. CAD-CAM is computer-aided drafting.
Okay.
So, and it's only been available in jewelry over the course of, I'm going to say, the last 10 to 12 years. Originally, when CAD first came out, it was for architects, it was for buildings, it was large. Now there are programs that can do these very, very tiny, minute details.
I cannot keep my eyes off this. What is your advice for our viewers that are watching on YouTube who want to get into gemology and jewelry design? What do you think is the first thing their first steps?
Go to work for a jeweler. Get your hands in, get dirty.
You know what I really appreciate about this that I just noticed? There's diamonds, there's carving. Oh, is that a little bird?
It is a bird!
Oh.
So every
And there's
piece
an
that
apple.
Mark Holmuller does will actually have a bird somewhere in it.
I see, it looks like an apple.
It is an apple.
On the bottom. Wow, that is so cool. Would you ever wear any of this just out to the grocery store?
Absolutely.
You are so fabulous.
Why would you not?
Have you seen Mary Poppins?
Yes,
And how
of
she
course.
just pulls all these wonderful, that's
Out of
how
her
I
hat.
kind of, yeah. I've learned all about design today. Taught me more about the collection. Do you have any more surprises up your sleeve?
Whew. No, I think it's time for us to have a glass of wine and call it good.
No, I don't know. I think I'm gonna need something else to lower my heart rate a little bit after these. I mean, all right, so we wanna do a closer look. So I'm gonna hold the piece up to the camera and I want you to point out maybe one or two things about this piece that you think our YouTubers should keep an eye out for.
That the rubellite tourmaline, it's that great, luscious, yummy Merlot kind of color, right? I can associate just about anything to wine, let's just be clear. The fact that every panel on this bracelet is different. There's no two panels that are the same.
I didn't notice that. I was
So-
blinded by that rubellite. You're right. What would you want everyone to take a closer look at?
So the first thing that I would look at, of course, is the color, the clarity, the brightness of that gem. For a gem that size, not only is it super uber rare, but he's done it so simply. He's really allowed the stone to come through and be the star of the piece
I agree.
through really quiet design that's extremely intricate.
So big fat thank you to Shelly. Today I was Shelly shocked by the fantastic jewelry that I got to wear, and I unfortunately can't wear it right now. I hope that you enjoyed today as much as I did. I hope that you were shocked as much as I was. I hope that you appreciate jewelry like I do. And if you want to learn more, subscribe, like our channel. But what I really want you to do is I want you to comment below and tell Shelly that she needs to come back again and bring me a birthday present and another big, beautiful ring like that. You're gonna help me out, right? Thanks for watching.